Welcome back to Better Kansas City. So we spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping, and it makes sense to turn your bedroom into a restful retreat. Interior designer Karen Mills is here to show us how to do just that. So, we were just talking about this. What is the biggest mistake that people will make when it comes to their master bedroom?
Well, I was just in a client's home the other day, and I walked in and they had a desk and a fax and a printer. So the last thing you want to do is walk into your home at the end of the day where you're supposed to be relaxing, because I'm getting ready to talk about this, sleep better, live better, and you don't want to walk in there and think about work.
All you do is see work.
Sleep, yes, and so then you might get stressed again, right?
Absolutely.
And it's not a good thing.
Yeah, not at all. Keep the fax machine for the den or something like that.
Yes.
Now, do you have any tips for creating that masterful retreat bedroom?
Yes, we have 3 tips that I love to share. One is creating a soothing color scheme.
Okay.
Something that's not too bright and too bold, that's going to really wake you up, something that's just going to help you relax. So think ocean, think sky, something relaxing, just like this bedroom. This nationally published project we did. Very relaxing blues. It's got a nice upholstered headboard, lots of texture. So you just want to run and jump in the bed, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's the kind of bedroom you want to create, one that just invites you in.
Well,
and the color scheme's key.
I even like that it had the vaulted ceiling because it looked like you just had a little bit more space. And of course, when you're walking in after a hard day, I mean, that always helps.
It is, it does. It makes it feel great. And the lighter walls really help too, so it's not too dark. Some people like dark and that's okay, but I personally believe the lighter's really nice.
Oh, it looked so restful. Now you mentioned you have 3 tips, so what's the second one?
The second tip is to have natural washable bedding. And the reason I say that, Belinda, is we have dogs, we have kids, we have babies, or we just have a messy spouse. And so you don't want a bedding that's dry clean only, where you're getting stressed out about it. You want to be able to just run and jump in the bed and not worry about it and just throw it in the washer when you're done. So it's, here we have some Italian bedding and it's all washable, it's all natural, and it was a neutral scheme. It's not a real busy pattern that kind of makes you nervous. It's just very calming.
Absolutely. And then, let's say we're going in our bedroom, we got to sit down. We've got to have that seating that's so important.
Yes, definitely. And this is a great example here. They've got we put a stool in here. This is an internationally published project we did. We've got a stool here in this Mission Hills project where you can sit down and put your shoes on, or you can go over by the window and read a book, take a nap. So that's just so key, because you need that retreat. You need to get away from the kids, or just get away from life, or maybe just even get away from your spouse for a few minutes. Not that you don't love them, but it's just having that alone time where you can rejuvenate.
Well, for me, it's like there's a cat, there's video games going on in the house, there's cooking going on. So sometimes it is just nice to go to the bedroom and, of course, have that.
It is, and it just gets, you need to be rejuvenated, especially when you start out the day like today. You need to start out the week great. You need to start it out energized.
Well, Karen, thank you so much for all of those tips.
You're welcome.